Peloton versus NordicTrack, two iconic bikes battling for your ride at home, one focused on studio classes, the other on real-world simulation. Which one really delivers? On the left, Peloton, bringing studio cycling to your living room with top-tier instructors. And on the right, NordicTrack, simulating outdoor routes with its unique incline and decline tech. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Okay, before we speed off into the details, check out this quick mind map. Here's what we're gonna look at: price, workout experience, resistance and features, design and space, quality and warranty, user capacity and durability, plus apps and content. Yeah, that's a lot, but don't worry, I'll keep things chill. Let's kick things off with price, cause honestly that's where most of us start, right? First, Peloton. Starting at just $1,195, Peloton feels like a steal for studio cycling, especially if you want those premium classes and instructors. It's the best budget way to jump into the trend, but heads up, the subscription adds $44 a month. If you want all the fun stuff, you'll need it. Now flipping over to NordicTrack. This bike means business, premium features, and a seriously solid warranty. But man, the price? You're looking at $1,899 and up, with some models hitting $2,499. So your wallet might feel that one. Winner here, Peloton takes the crown for value, especially up front. Let's talk workout experience. Peloton is famous for its live and on-demand classes, and the vibe is unreal. The instructors, top-notch, plus you get a leaderboard to flex your competitive spirit. But here's the thing, it's all studio style, no incline, no decline, and not much outdoor variety. Now NordicTrack kind of flips the script. You get 20% incline and minus 10% decline. It's basically like you're cycling outside and the system automatically changes resistance for you. And those outdoor routes with real scenic footage, pretty awesome, honestly. But to get all the best stuff, you have to subscribe to IFIT for $39 a month. Still, the real-world simulation is wild. Between the two, NordicTrack nails the realism, so it wins here. Next up, resistance and features. Peloton keeps it smooth with 100 micro-adjustable resistance levels, it's super detailed. The magnetic resistance is so nice, and you get a solid 30 lb flywheel for that pro feel. Plus, the hybrid pedals work with SPD clips and toe cages, which is great. But just know the Delta cleats are an extra $125, and the seat? Some folks swap it out to avoid the pain. NordicTrack, it offers 24 digital resistance levels, a little less granular, sure, but you still get a beefy 32 lb flywheel. Dual-sided pedals, and you actually get some 3 lb dumbbells included. There's even a built-in fan, which is kinda cool for those sweaty rides. Still, Peloton wins on the resistance control, no contest. Oh, and here's something cool I found out: NordicTrack's incline and decline features. They can ramp up your workout intensity by, wait for it, 300% compared to flat cycling. Wild, right? Design and space is next. Peloton's got that chic, minimal look, it's compact, only 59 inches long and 23 inches wide, weighs just 135 pounds, so moving it around, storing it even indoors is easy. Though not many color choices, NordicTrack on the other hand is a beast. The 22-inch HD touchscreen is awesome, and the rotating screen adds flexibility. Storage tray, sweet. But whoa, it's huge and heavy, like 205 pounds. You can't even store it in the garage or your warranty is void. Awkward. Peloton definitely makes life easier, so it wins this round. Quality and warranty time. Peloton gives you 5 years on the frame, a year for parts and labor. It's decent, but there are some vibes that their customer service can be tricky. Plus, I've heard a few stories about hardware issues. NordicTrack, total beast. 10 years on the frame, 2 on parts and 1 on labor. It's super reliable and feels really well built. Only downside is assembling it can be a pain, and yeah, it's heavy as anything. In terms of peace of mind, NordicTrack takes this one. What about user capacity and durability? So, Peloton's rated up to 297 pounds, and thanks to magnetic resistance, offers a smooth ride to most folks. But if you need something even sturdier, NordicTrack's got a 350 lb capacity. It's built for more users and just feels super robust. Although, with all that sturdiness, it's heavier and less convenient to shuffle around. So you guessed it, NordicTrack wins on durability. Okay, last category, apps and content. So Peloton goes beyond fitness. You actually get Netflix, Disney+, Max, YouTube TV, NBA, and even Kindle. That's a huge win for mixing entertainment with workouts. The catch, you still need the Peloton app for main features and third-party cycling apps are kinda blocked. NordicTrack runs on iFIT and gives you outdoor routes plus Netflix and Prime Video in beta. Rotating screen lets you binge while you ride, but third-party stuff is still kinda limited. So for sheer entertainment and variety, Peloton wins this category. Alright, so let's step back and look at the big picture. If you squint at the scores on our radar chart, Peloton wins in price, resistance, design, and entertainment, but NordicTrack crushes it on workout realism, warranty, and durability. Both have their quirks, and neither is just a straight-up winner in every single department. So, what does all this actually mean for you? If you just want epic live classes, a community vibe, and something affordable with tons of streaming options, seriously, you can watch Netflix while you pedal. Peloton is your move. But if you're the kind of person who wants to mimic outdoor hills and have a bike that lasts a decade, go for NordicTrack S22i. Both are killer, so it's totally down to what you want. The studio hype or the outdoor simulation. If this comparison helped you out, don't forget to share it. And stick around so you catch the next deep dive. There's always something new in fitness tech.